everyone, welcome to Sophia's Kitchen and Lifestyle. This is my first cooking video and my first ever voiceover, so please bear with me. I'm just starting out and learning as I go. I filmed this with my phone, so it is not perfect yet, but I hope you enjoy it. Today I will be showing you how I prepare my delicious ram head pepper soup the way I love to make it. Let's get started. I brought out the frozen ram from my freezer and I left it for a while to defrost. Once softening, I raised it and turned it into a pot and placed it on the burner to boil. After the first boil, I threw out the water and rinsed the meat again. This is how I like to clean my ram head thoroughly. Now I'm blending my onions and pepper. Adding my seasoning cubes, salt, and other spices, and I added my blended pepper mix. I added little water to help everything cooked and soak into the meat. After a few minutes, I added more water and finally I add my pepper soup spices. I let it cook until the meat becomes soft and tender. And finally, I add fresh scent leaf for that aroma and flavor. My ram head pepper soup is ready to serve, hot and tasty. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in my next one. Thank you.